Jackfruit, scientifically known as Artocarpus heterophyllus, is gaining attention for its potential benefits in managing blood sugar levels. This tropical fruit, native to South Asia, is packed with nutrients and has properties that may be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Jackfruit is particularly high in vitamin C and several B vitamins, including B6, which are essential for energy production and immune function. It contains potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber, which can help regulate blood pressure and improve digestive health. A significant amount of dietary fiber aids in slowing digestion, which can help moderate blood sugar spikes. Jackfruit has a medium glycemic index, GI, ranging from 50 to 60. This means it causes a moderate increase in blood sugar levels compared to high GI foods. The presence of fiber and protein in jackfruit helps slow the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. So, incorporating jackfruit into your meals can be a tasty way to manage diabetes. This makes it a more suitable option for people with diabetes than many other fruits. Several studies have highlighted jackfruit's potential in regulating blood sugar levels. A study demonstrated that extracts from jackfruit seeds significantly reduced blood glucose levels in gestational diabetic rats. The most effective dose resulted in a 61.73% decrease in blood sugar, comparable to standard diabetes medication. Jackfruit is rich in flavonoids and other antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, factors often linked to chronic diseases like diabetes. These compounds may enhance insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels over time. Incorporating jackfruit into a diabetic diet can provide various health benefits due to its unique properties that help regulate blood sugar levels.